Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How you guys doing? It's Jeff here. Now, today I wanted to show you guys a little bit of my Ford Escort here. This is what a bad motor mount looks like. You can just see almost clearly right through that motor mount. That is good for your car. You ever wonder when you're driving down the street and you just all of a sudden get the vibrations in the steering wheel? Well, that'd be it. This bad fucker right here. Bad motor mount. Get up underneath the car, there's a little lizard on the zip side. I won't focus on him how tiny he is. That's also what we call a leaky transmission. It just pours out on the floor. Does a great job. Ford. Found on road dead. Good name for it.